Alright, hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about simple diffusion. So some substances can cross the cell membrane without any assistance, moving directly through this phospholipid bilayer by simple diffusion. So what is simple diffusion? It is the passive movement of substances across the cell membrane down their concentration gradient, which means from a region of high concentration to low concentration, moving down the concentration gradient. So no energy is required as well. The movement is driven entirely by that concentration gradient. Net diffusion continues until the concentration is equal on both sides of the membrane. That is when equilibrium is reached, which is what we have here. So what can cross the membrane? So not all substances can cross via simple diffusion. The phospholipid bilayer is selectively permeable. Only certain molecules can pass directly through it. Substances that cross by simple diffusion share two key characteristics. They are small and they are nonpolar or hydrophobic, allowing them to dissolve into and pass through the hydrophobic core of the bilayer. So it only allows for small and nonpolar molecules. Okay, so examples include oxygen, carbon dioxide, and steroid hormones. Water is a special case. It is polar, but because it's so small, it can pass through the bilayer directly, although it primarily moves through aquaporin channels. Large molecules, charged ions, and polar molecules cannot cross by simple diffusion. They require protein-mediated transport. So let's talk about the rate of simple diffusion. The rate of simple diffusion across the membrane is influenced by several factors. The concentration gradient, steeper gradient produces faster diffusion. Temperature, higher temperature increases the kinetic energy of molecules, increasing the rate of diffusion. Surface area, a greater membrane surface area allows more molecules to cross simultaneously. Membrane thickness, a thinner membrane allows faster diffusion. So to summarize, simple diffusion is the passive movement of small nonpolar or hydrophobic molecules across the cell membrane down their concentration gradient. No energy is required. The membrane regulates which substances can cross by simple diffusion through the selective permeability of its phospholipid bilayer. Only molecules that can dissolve into the hydrophobic core pass through. The rate of diffusion increases with a steeper concentration gradient, higher temperature, greater surface area, and thinner membrane. Follow for daily QCAA content.